Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get CapCut templates from TikTok. So first you have to exit your CapCut application and open your TikTok application. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to simply go to your home and then look for CapCut templates like this. Now, if you can see that on your home page, you can simply go to search and then kindly type CapCut templates or CapCut templates. Then you can see here tons of CapCut templates that you can use. You just have to pick one. For example, you want to edit about nature, something like that. But you can also be specific here if you want to look for CapCut template vintage, something like that. You can be very specific here. Okay, so go to that person's profile to see more samples of his or her CapCut templates. And then all you have to do is just simply click this CapCut, try this template. Okay, use a template in CapCut, tap this one and it will take you directly to your CapCut application. Now, import that image or video that you want to edit, for example, this one, and then everything is up to you there. You can edit it. Now, if you can't see any CapCut template features on your TikTok, what you're going to do here is to simply exit, go to your Google Play Store, and then what you're going to do here is to update your TikTok and make sure that if you see this blue one here, update, you just have to tap the twine key. That is to make sure that your TikTok is up to date. After that, you can also uninstall the application if you can steal this feature and then go to Google Play Store and install it again. Or the last thing you can do is to simply go to the web browser and then kindly type CapCut template. And then there you can see tons of CapCut templates here that you can use. You just have to pick one and then click open CapCut. Then you can use it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.